Hello. Is anyone actually in the chat? Hi. Oh, I've messed up my stream settings. Hold on. Oh, it's doing this. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart OBS. 1 second. Oh, we have a signal. Yep, there we go. Cool. I don't know why it says 2 minutes ago. Are we still live? Are you seeing this? Is everyone seeing this? This right here? Am I talking to myself? Oh. Okay, good. Okay, so this is going to be quite a quick stream compared to the other one, the last one. And quite a late one. Okay, so hello Cinnamon Roll, hello Nun, how are you? Good. Hello Alexa, hello Chiron. I sent a message in the guild that was WSS, okay. So I just wanted to make a quick update with the app. I don't think this is going to be the full stream for the week, but this is mainly more of an update and fixing bug stream. So this is how the app's been going on. As you can see, we're actually not in Chrome. We're in the PWA, the personal web app version of the app. It seems to be a bit laggy right now. Not entirely sure why, but might have to restart it. It's not usually this laggy. Okay, so there were like lots of bugs with there were lots of bugs with logging in, etc. There was one bug with logging in. I've also changed all the icons here, pretty much. I've added these notification icon things. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this, hopefully. Hold on, Cinnamon Roll. Okay, someone sent me a friend request, so I can accept this. There we go. So, did that work? I think that was him, right? Or them. George, that person. So, I did fix the friend request system. That was broken before. These icons could be improved as well, which we might do in a second. Also, there was a bug where these DM channels were duplicating. That should be now fixed and tested. You can also install the app if you go to acro.app. Also, after this stream, what's gonna happen? Hold on, user routes. We're gonna increase this to 50, so 5 more members or users will be able to join. Okay, hold on, Cinnamon Roll. I'll get onto that in a minute. Yeah, so after that stream, things started to go a lot more smoothly. So another thing that, yeah, we've changed all the icons. Another thing that I did add is this. I don't know, it just goes grey when I click on it. I thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, so there is a big bug at the minute, which is really bugging me. And it's the presence thing, where online and offline, we need to fix that finally. Also, if someone's online here, if they send a message. Okay, hold on. If they send a message, then I believe I added pings, but they don't show up. You can just hear a ping sound. I'm gonna mention someone. I'm not sure if I added this fully. Oh. Hold on. Did I just crash the app? I think that crashes the app. Okay, we have found a bug where if we mention someone, it does crash the app. Thank you, Cinnamon Roll. It does do a memory leak, so yeah, we're in the right file for that to happen, so yeah, I think it should be in this file, in the text-based channel where that was caused. Mention. There's something about mentions. Yeah. So. Oh. Google Chrome crashed as well. I guess it is Google Chrome. So. I don't know where this is. This process thing. Oh no, it's in the message. So this is in the message component. Get user, get async. That's probably why. That may be why. This probably isn't. Okay. So this is responsible for handling mentions. And this handles, yeah, so all the mentions here. Can I add you on Discord? You currently on Accord at the minute. I'm accepting friend requests on Accord, but disabled on Discord at the minute. Okay, so yeah, another thing that I did add today was this thing where if you right click the message, sorry if I sound stupid today, I should have streamed earlier, to be honest. It's a bit late, but when we right click a message, we get the process content, so we know what message we're dealing with. Okay. Also, another thing we added is, yeah, we did add a lot. I did add a lot. So, yeah, this guild right here is a bit glitched from a few days ago. So let's add the ability for them to manage roles. So we'll add the 2 role to manage roles, and then we'll give it to Bluetooth Pot. So Bluetooth Pot is a manager, already had it. Yeah, so there are like annoying glitches where you have to refresh for this to update. And we'll get on to fixing that. That's with the website though. So as you can see, we cannot give roles to users. We cannot give roles to users that are higher than the user's current role. So 2. We cannot give or remove the 2 role, as it is our highest role. But we can give the 3 role, because it's lower than our current role. Is Accord a clone of Discord? Yes, kind of. But we are changing it up a bit and adding custom themes and things. How long will this stream be? Probably about an hour, very short. I had a few other bugs I was going to tell you about, but I forgot them. That sounds like a lot of bugs then. So, I believe, like today, so today, I did update the website, so on Monday, I think, whenever we released the app, there was like random bugs with messages not sending. Now we're using JIT. We're using just-in-time compilation on the actual app. But at least it works. Yeah, so it did fix these random bugs that appeared at the last moment, so that is good. Confirmation to delete messages. Why not add a confirmation? I think messages aren't that important. Like a single message might not be that important to do that. But in Discord there's a feature where you hold shift and you can do the message options. But this should be compatible with the mobile as well. Currently there's no mobile support. Yeah, so let's fix this online/offline status. Also, email styling is a bit off. It looks a bit trash, to be honest. So, after this stream, which the stream will end in like 50 minutes, then 5 more users will be able to sign up. So, yeah, just to note, there are lots more like JS files lying around than usual in this dist folder. That's because we're using a different type of compilation. Could be a guild setting about confirmation. That will probably be a user setting. It might differ per user. Also, what emojis do you have? They're just Unicode emojis. They're just Unicode emoji pickers. Also, Super Chat is enabled. All the money that is donated in Super Chat in the Accord stream should go to like improving Accord for now. I was originally thinking of paying someone to make custom badges for like user badges. Yeah, they're very expensive on Fiverr, so I don't know. Or we could just use line icons like these as badges. What do you think? Line icons. So we could use the Bug Destroyer badge. Like this. I don't know. Or target or something. Or we could pay a bit of money for getting professional badges, like custom made ones. That's just an idea. Oh. Yeah, there's a lot of website glitches, if you saw that one. So what just happened there? We kicked someone and then we received guild leave. That is a boo-boo. So we kicked someone else, then it told us to leave. Wait, how many people did it tell to leave? Oh. So what is going on here? Okay. Both of these users right here are listening to events for the same user, but not the same client. Hi, Pado. Or Pado. Also, sometimes when I use the verification code, it said invalid, but it worked when I clicked the link, or would say wrong and then work. Okay. Yeah, I struggled to test the 2FA system. The test just would not work, but when I manually test it, it seems to work. Mine is perfect. It's up to you. You could translate the German language if there was a translation function. Don't know if Discord has one, but do they? Oh my. Okay. When will we add more accounts after this stream? Okay, so when we next update this, basically, so member.userid. Now the issue with this is we're getting events, so when we join all the rooms somewhere, yeah, so here, rooms.join, so get known user IDs, it joins all the known users rooms. This is very unnecessary. Okay, maybe doing that is a bit too much, like getting rid of all of it, but yeah. If so disconnect if someone comes offline, so we already send it to all guild IDs and also friend IDs, that's what we want to listen to, but not every user. There we go. Oh. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So where it says get known IDs, we don't need to do this where we listen to all the events. Get room IDs. There we go. So all the friend requests, we don't need to do that. We don't need to find all the friends there. Okay. So the self user ID, the bot, the system user, which is actually 2PG, DM user, guild users, no. Incoming user IDs, no, we don't need to know whether they're coming online or offline. We're fixing the online offline bug now. Basically, we're limiting waste at the minute. We don't need to know whether the friend is online, right? Give me a sec. Bluetooth. Okay, so it refreshes when I restart the API. What have we got? My battery is at 3%. Where? Okay, you should charge your phone or whatever you're using. Could be using a microwave to watch this. That was weird. What just happened? We can view the profile of friend requests. Maybe we can display whether they're online or offline here. Maybe at some point. So friend request IDs, sure, let's just add them. DM users, yeah, we've got it all here. Cool. So we're only joining the rooms that we need to. Also, this should not be async. Oh, yeah. Okay, should. Okay. Join necessary rooms. Okay. We have 237 tests. On the API. 0 on the website. Disappointing. Right, there's all the bugs. Okay, there we go, boom. So if it just randomly refreshes, then that's perfectly normal. And doesn't happens very rarely on the application. Okay. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Okay, I was gonna donate to myself in the stream, but nope. It wouldn't let me. Okay. You should make that dot out of a div. Which dot? This one? Yeah. That's the only thing that came to mind. Okay, so this is all good. The tests should work. Now, when we actually do this, we want to make sure the user's logged in. So let's go into mock. When we mock a user, the user's offline, should be. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so this is probably one of the most annoying bugs out of all of them. The email styling, that's not an annoying bug. These are important bugs to fix. Website test not entirely not working, that's very severe. But there we go, so we're gonna make sure that it goes online. So ready, user is online. So what we do, ready, and then expect. We're testing here on the API. So we're gonna re-get the user from the database. We expect the user status to equal online, and it did equal offline, but now it equals online after. Let's make sure this test actually fails when we do that. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna mess with the system. We're gonna say there's a disconnect event as well. It's in chat. Hello Marcelo, welcome back DevSpan. We're just fixing this online offline bug here. Currently it says I'm offline, which is a complete scam. Oh, okay. It does not want me to go into that guild. I probably got kicked from it. No? Oh yeah, I did get kicked from it. Okay. Okay, so now we've rejoined this guild. It seemed to be glitched, which is a bit weird. You should add nitro. Only if people actually pay for it. Otherwise, it would just be dead. GIFs are currently 3 as well. At the minute. Not that I plan to paywall them. Hello, Chiron. We actually need perks. If we're doing nitro, we actually need perks. Probably unique to Discord. I was thinking maybe like how Discord server boosts, we could have like one idea is perks for servers, like they get extra, I don't know, something. I guess that's kind of paywalling them. Though. Limiting their roles, okay, that would be too much, to be honest. Limiting how many channels they could make, that would be bad. Although channels are limited to 100 at the minute, so hard limited. If you're making more than 100 channels, that's probably not the app to use. Wait, it's in Guild, I think. Guild. Oh, 250 channels. Okay. That's a lot of channels. Do you know that you get like 8 million errors in web console? That was a thing in Accord, but the bug was fixed. Basically, what happened is I did this. Basically, I set interval, so this is a very dumb bug, what happened. So every 5 seconds, it told everyone, pretty much, that someone was offline. And it did it like loads of times. Yeah. And it was meant to be set timeout, that was quite a big bug. Maybe add verified on profile. Verified human being. You mean verified email? Maybe not. Yeah, voice channels are planned. But this week is mainly focused on fixing bugs. You should close channel model once they create it. Or else they can spam it. Oh yeah, they can. They can do this. Wait. Oh, yeah, we are. Let's see if we can hit the hard limit. 250. Okay, I'll get back to fixing the bug after. Okay, we're not going to 250, it'll take too long, but I've never actually seen this many channels in this app. Let's refresh. What is it doing? Yeah, it doesn't even want to load in the channels. There's too many. Okay. It might not be that there's too many, there's just... Okay. So another issue here that we see with the styling is this sidebar thing right here is going down below this footer, and some channels are unreachable. So in guild sidebar, let's fix that quickly. So yeah, so this is going down too low, this scroll bar. I think it's the dot options class. Oh no. Is this side nav class? Yeah, it's this class here. I'll read the chat in a minute, hold on. Okay, so what we're gonna do, max height, sorry, is we're gonna limit this where it can go. We're gonna try to anyway. Ah. Okay, can you add where more people can sign up? 5 more people will can sign up after the stream. The reason why it's limited is because the app is very unstable. The website's completely untested at the minute, which is a problem. There is a bug that's stopping me from testing the app, and when I type ng test, if anyone knows a fix for this bug, that would be great. It will load up in a minute. So it opens Chrome and then it doesn't do anything. That's it. That's the bug. I deleted loads of test files. That could be why. I have 11 PM. Oh. Yeah, it's 10 PM here, 10:30. Do alpha users get a badge? I don't know. I think alpha and beta users might get something. Alpha badges exclusive. If you didn't get to sign up, then that might not be fair on the others. I don't know. But people, there might be a badge for those who requested it like last year. Okay, yeah, this is really glitched. This is what it says just starting. So loads of people, a few people actually requested badges last year, and I haven't given them yet. So yeah. Yeah, this will not start, and it's a bug with ng test. It's quite annoying. Error cannot start Chrome. Okay. Failed 2 times, that is correct, that's what we're getting. Delete the node modules folder. Yeah, let's actually do that. Yeah, I don't like how the terminal's really glitchy and it doesn't show everything. It's fine. It just seems very glitchy when you have it in the sidebar. It's a bug with VS Code. Okay, so let's fix this bug. So we're also going to have a disconnect event. Ready. Channel create. Why did I call it that? This is bad copy and pasting. Yeah, there was bad copy and pasting when it comes to the tests. Yeah, making all these tests work, it took me like 2 to 3 weeks. I don't even know why I spent so much time on it. Not straight, just like I would spend a few days a week on it. Step 1, open your PC. Step 2, rotate your PC. Step 3, throw it. Step 5. What happens to step 4? Accord.js for Accord applications. Yep. I was not in the DC jet then. Webhooks. Okay, webhooks. I'm gonna write that down. Hold on. Friend nickname. Okay, no. Okay, so channel message webhooks. Now, a webhook is basically, in this case, we just add like a get route basically for a webhook. That's what we do. But there we go. Forgot to go good night. Good night, Thomas. Gosmith, you are king, thank you. I'm not king though. Should add polls/forums. Now, one thing with Discord is I don't really know why they didn't go down the Reddit route. Like, they could have become more of a forum app, but they decided to become more generalized. So they went less from gaming to appealing to more people. That's instead of going to forum. They could have gone both of them. They probably did the right thing, but they could have also gone for more like poll channels, if that makes sense. Message embed's already a thing. Try to log in and the error code and method verify this. Okay, hold on. Can you not log into Accord? Okay, so let's fix this scrolling problem. We're gonna have a div here. It was originally fixing the presence problem, but we'll get onto that soon. So channel wrapper. Oh, there's a lot of errors in the console. How are they there? What's going on? Okay. Oh, the packages were not installed. Okay. npm iForce. There we go. Okay, whilst that's doing that, let's fix these tests and make sure they work correctly. So, disconnect. We don't pass in anything for that. Okay, so this is what is happening, I think. When someone refreshes the browser, this is what happens. So they're already online. So let's say they're just messing around in channels, doing whatever. And then they refresh, so they disconnect and they reconnect. And sometimes they end up offline like this. But we want them to stay online because they sent a ready request. Basically, they logged back in. Now, if they didn't come back online, they would be offline, obviously. Okay, it thinks it worked. Yeah, accounts are currently maxed. No accounts can be created at the minute. I did delete like 4 accounts that were empty. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is if you want to sign up right now. Oh no, the DVD screensaver's gone. Not good. Hold on. Okay, so if you want to sign up now, I'm going to delete some accounts so you can do that. Okay, bear with me. Okay. I'm not going to share the screen for this because there might be user data. Well, there will be user data. So we're just going to delete some empty accounts that are just taking up spaces. So these are ones with empty guilds, I'd say. Okay. 7 documents. It's not looking good. Well, they all appear to be active, actually. Uh-oh. Hold on. Yeah, they're all active this time, so there's no inactive users at the minute. Well, it's worth a try. Sorry about that. Good night, DevSpan. Or wherever you're going. I can't make an account. That will be... Yeah, after the stream anyway, 5 more accounts will be available. Will you add a mail thing? Currently we do have an email. It's actually support@accord.app. I think that will work, as it will get redirected to a Gmail account, which is different. Okay, so these ready tests work in theory, but they're not working in reality. It still says we're offline. Oh my, we need to get off this guild. It's causing thousands of errors. Okay, so having loads of channels in a guild is not good. Okay, we're fine. Now, what Cinnamon Roll said is that when we create a channel, what we should do is we should close this. Yeah, that's what we're going to do here before we create it, so that they can't spam it. Yeah, so channel create, it sometimes works. This emit async thing, it's having bugs for some reason. Oh, oh my days. Basically, the website wasn't even online. The packages weren't installed. Okay, ng test might work now. That would be epic. Are you using Express.js? We are for the API, but mainly Socket.io for the main operations of things. So we're mainly using WebSockets for the API. We add a mail thing to the account. You mean mail other members, DM? Oh, for security. Yeah, we've already added 2FA, like email 2FA. Should work. So when you verify the email, it actually uses it by default. Okay, let's quickly fix this error. Or see how we can fix it. Okay, this camera is not starting. That did not fix it. Not good. Okay. Oh no, not this server. Not this server. Please. Okay, we need to delete that. There we go. It's gone. So sometimes when we refresh, it's saying that we're offline. What if we get rid of this? Does it still say we are offline? Now the API restarted very quickly. It doesn't actually do that in production, fortunately. Okay, so this is not causing it here. So we're gonna log online. These tests are fine. We're also gonna log offline when this is called. Okay, there's no disconnect tests, which might be an issue. Probably is an issue. Do you have an idle detector? Not yet. I guess when a client stops, speaking of idle detector, when a client stops sending events for like 5 minutes, they can be considered idle. So they stop. I don't know. What counts as... I mean, they could be just viewing around doing nothing and then considered idle. They could just be viewing messages and be idle. But every time they call a WebSocket event, it could stop them from being idle. That's one idea. I would check for mouse moves and clicks. You would have it on the API actually, probably. maybe you could do that and then emit an idle event, but where you check mouse moves. Idle could mean they could be in one channel, no. Yeah, so what idle could mean in the future is just not loading any API routes or interacting with the API in any way, and then they're idle. And you have to interact with the API to some extent for things to work smoothly. By default, it's very hard to avoid the API. Okay, so hold on. We're gonna, okay. So it ends with being online, but it says we're offline. I mean, the way I did idle on my site is horrible. I'm sure you could come up with a better way. I do it on the API. I mean, if you have it so that you tell, if the client has to tell the API that they're idle, then that's probably bad. When you're in the project, you will start at my Discord. We're not trying to make it like Discord, like a complete clone. We were at some point, but then we changed ideas. But yeah. Now we're trying to make it more unique. Yeah. Okay. Record greater in Discord, not yet. Okay. Online, offline. Well, if we never say they're offline, then I guess that fixes it now. Set. Okay, we're not doing set interval again. We made that mistake last time. Didn't go well. Or I did. Set interval, save offline every 5 seconds. That's what happened. And that change was actually deployed. So every 5 seconds it was telling everyone that everyone was offline every 5 seconds. Can you make the bot can play any video in a voice channel? Voice channels, we haven't gotten to that yet. But bots, we also actually we've added bots earlier, but they're currently hidden. They'll probably be added soon when the API is fully tested, probably in the beta the beta releases, which will be after the alpha ones. Yep. Hold on. Let's check if this offline thing actually works. Oh, I think I might know what the issue is here. Let's do something. Leaned up. Now, because the WebSocket is secure, I don't know why I took a screenshot of that. Okay, args.ready. We're gonna send the user via this, via WebSocket, because what is happening is a race condition. I don't know the exact meaning. I think it's when two variables race and each other for something. Timing. Okay. So in the off guard somewhere, we're sending the ready event here. And that is an issue. So we're telling the user we're ready after we get the yeah, so we're telling the users online after we've got the user, which is causing it to be offline all the time, which is a problem. Which was the problem anyway. Okay, what have we got? Have you ever tried to code a Chrome extension? Not really, but inject scripts into websites, yes. I've tried that. That's what extensions do. Imagine having secure WebSockets. I don't know how secure they are. I don't know how secure WSS is, but okay, online, offline, no, not even close. So when we initialize this, self, what? This dot self equals, okay, so we're gonna have self here, which is optional. We're gonna have it as t, this dot self equals self. Why are you not using underscore notation? What for? Wait. Underscore notation. I think that's where you have a underscore, like, before things. Should not start with an underscore, even though okay, I was just reading that. So we're gonna init with the user. Also in, okay, so we have WS types, so we're gonna copy WS types in here. Go up. When we're ready, args.ready. There we go. So self otherwise update it. What? Okay, we're gonna make sure everything is swimming. Self dot. We're gonna log self every time. So the user. Have I done it wrong again? Okay. It's an object with user. So in ready. I'll rechat in a sec. Params.ready. Okay, that's fine. Oh. Hugs. Yeah, I've also... Once I fix this, I'm also going to end the stream, because it's not the best time to stream. G.id. Why am I using... because MongoDB has the underscore in front of the ID. What the language that you use right now? TypeScript. And can I create a script that adding post delete already? What kind of post do you mean, like in general? Yes. Will you add like user 0000? I'm not sure. I'll go to sleep. Good night, everyone. I'm gonna write that one down. Actually, deleted. So it's called a tombstone, where it's not actually deleted. It's just marked as deleted. And it's called a tombstone. Or Discord calls it that. What just happened? What? Okay, so something's already on pot. Something's messed up. The console just died. Interesting. What the issue with the console dying like that is it leaves just a port open, which is annoying. So I'm gonna type already done command in. Hold on. Okay, I was gonna type that command in, but there we go. It needs to say we're online. Why? WS service. Oh, that's what we're getting from the API. Okay. We should do this. Hold on. Let's do this in user service. Okay, we need a reference to auth service. Which is for logging in and things. What's this? What have we got in chat? Okay. Message polls. I don't know. Super. Ah, I don't like this in TypeScript where you have to do this. HTTP or in JS even. WS. Okay, so this dot itself equals user super init. Oh wait, this better work. It might not work actually. User, is it gonna log the user? Let's see. I think we could have like unique types of channels. I don't know. Sounds interesting. Like a poll channel or something. It sounds like a lot of development. We need to get that we're ready, receive ready, send ready from user auth service. Good. We're not logging it though, which is not good. Init. It's being annoying. Is it not doing anything? Okay, oh, okay, so we're in the wrong thing. I think we need to be in this. Oh, it's being very annoying at the minute. Okay. Send ready. Don't know if we're gonna actually manage to do it today. It's worth a try. Would you make a YouTube clone? Probably not. I think I've made too many clones. One's too many. For now, okay. What? Init A. See if that works. Is it actually calling anything? Is it logging? Oh, okay. I know what's going on now. Wait, it's not even using the right process, is it? Watch this. What? Hold on. Oh, it's a ghost process. If we close this, let's somehow close this. I don't know how. This should not be online right now. So this is what we do. We type this big command in. And if it has nothing, then it does that. Oh my days. NGS, let's see if that works. Okay, this is the fail-proof way of seeing if the website's actually updating or not. Okay, it is updating. Interesting. Log hello init, and then it should log init. Now it's doing something weird. User service circular dependency. Oh, not good. Private ready this. This got ready. There we go. Is it gonna work now? I think that was the issue, right? Hello init. There we go. Status online. Now please work. I can't press the delete button. I think it's broken on my keyboard. If this not already true. What? That is silly. Get rid of that. There we go. So let's go to channels, see if that works. Oh, it's doing that. That's why we do it. That's why we check if it's already done this, because it's duplicating. Just keeps doing it. Okay, so we only want to do this if no self, if not initialized, then we do this. If not logged in, then we tell the API that we're ready, and then tell it to ready all the rooms. Why UK Discord create a project that you will earn from? Maybe this one. Who knows? Money isn't really a main aim though of this one. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, now it's just being weird. Like, is user even existing? User? We getting a user? My brain cannot process this. No, it's not. Okay, so we save this. It's not even updating. It hasn't. Okay. VS Code is severely glitched at the minute. I don't know. I like how chill this is. It's probably because I'm very tired. I don't know. There we go. Let's see. Oh. Are we online now? Is it gonna say we're online? It's saying we're online. I take that as an absolute win. As long as it works. Oh, it's died again. Look, VS Code's gone. Okay, if this works, what we're gonna do is we're gonna update the website, and then we're gonna end this short stream. But 5 more user spaces, I did say. So it was 45, but now it's gonna be 50. So that means 5 more users. Being very weird, that's what I know. Okay, we're just gonna update now, see if it works. Creating Discord 18. So what this command will do is delete everything in this folder and then replace it with new files. And then we should see the changes in here eventually. Okay. Hopefully this actually works. Okay, so it did say we were online for a second. Don't know what's going on with messages at the minute. Okay. It's taken a very long time to load. Okay. But sometimes it doesn't actually copy it, so then we type a command, which does all the copying. My screen has gone very dark now. Oh no, the project is very dark for some reason. There's loads of VS Code bugs today. Okay, now to test the new built website, we go to this link. It's not looking good. Okay, well, we're getting all the message events. It says we're online. Let's see if we refresh. Does it still say that? For some reason, when we refresh, it just dies. Guild off guard. Channels, channel ID dashboard, and then guild off guard. Okay. What's going on? Okay, the footer's a bit messed up on this. Bit weird. Okay, so now let's okay, so there is a 404 bug here, and that's not good. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that. Not found. BG transparent. And that should be at the bottom. Not found. Footer. Position absolute. Bottom 0. Nightlife. Good luck. Okay, thank you. I don't know. This is like the latest I've streamed actually, which adds extra challenge to solving problems because your brain is, well, my brain is all sleepy. Okay, I'm gonna rebuild this in a minute because when we do that, when we load this guild, it just doesn't work. So might be when we call that twice, right? Oh, okay. Fix me. Okay, fix website. There we go, that will do. It's kind of a desperate release. Okay, now we're just going to update it again. Okay, so in a few minutes, or 1 or 2 minutes probably, there will be 5 users available for testing this, so accord.app. When this loads, now hopefully I didn't break anything this stream, that would be bad. But now these statuses, I don't know what the plural version of that is, they should work now. They seem to work here, so that is hopeful. So let's see if they work when we update the app. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna update the website now, so and then uh-oh. There we go. So we're going to update the website, then we're going to push it. Have you ever tried Tailwind CSS? I've heard of Tailwind CSS. I'm not entirely sure how good it is. I've never actually used it, though. I think Bootstrap's a bit, like, mediocre, to be honest. Rounded LG, shadow excess, overflow. I'm gonna look at this later. Bootstrap is good, but might look into this. I do like. By the way, does Tailwind CSS actually look like this website right here, or is that just a marketing scheme? Because if it does, then that's how I'd like the Accord website to look like, the styling, kind of. Can you install 2PG on my Ubuntu? I'm currently ending the stream. You should be able to do it with a few commands, which are listed on this website. Like here. And there's a written guide. Okay, okay, the changes should be live now. So if we go into Accord app, let me just switch back. Okay, so there we go, the changes should be live. What we changed is, hold on, it still says I'm offline for some reason. It's more of an update stream, this one, just to update everyone on what has happened. I really do hope it's not broken again. Let me check if it actually updated. I don't think it did update actually. Oh my dears. Okay, if you can't sign up right now, then it did not update. That's a sign. Let's get pull origin dev. What? Oh, that was an error, like a dumb error. Oh. Okay. Okay, so now I'm actually updating it now. So it should work. If it doesn't work, then F. At least I tried. Okay, so what happens during an update? It says error 502, and then it takes like a minute to load. You're underrated. Not really. I can create an account. Okay, so sorry, there was just a random problem with Git. Get many errors, not now. Anytime you have time to do it. And you get and what kind of errors? Hello, Oreo. We're just updating our code right now, and there's 5 users available. Okay, so online works now, I think. Yay. Okay, so it works now. Online is working. So we've fixed one major bug. Okay, so there we go. I'm actually, if you want to log in right now or create an account, now's the chance. Accord.app, 5 users available, probably less now. But there we go. So I may stream again later this week, probably. 2 people are online. I made an account. That's cool. I'm kind of tempted to make an account. But I'm not going to. Okay, so I don't know what just happened there. Okay, what actually is going on? Hold on. I don't know. Okay, that we fixed our bugs for today, and that is good. So can you accept? Okay, fine. I'll accept your request, and then I'm gonna. Okay, we don't want that. So I'm gonna use the PWA, which is the desktop app. Okay, I don't have a pending any requests at the minute. Okay, now I have a pending. Thank you. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna end the stream soon. So now there are a lot of bugs with the website. mainly the website. The API is already tested. There's like 200 tests, as you saw. But the website is completely untested by code. I'm still working on fixing it. Also, you may see that I've crashed the app. I have no idea how. I think I clicked on a few channels and it crashed it. Oh my. But bugs like these will be fixed soon. Before the beta release, they just need to be bug reported here. So bug reports here, but thank you for watching. Okay, let me just accept your request if you sent me one. Okay, you didn't send me one. Okay, there we go. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we stream later this week.